Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I know the setup is a little bit different today. I'm actually just recording this and I want to have a quick message with you guys. See, today I've been super busy. Honestly, like the work in recruitment has been crazy. Alhamdulillah, shukr to Allah. But today we've got a lecture with Sheikh Abu Suhaib, who inshallah the Zoom will be on at 8 o'clock. I will leave the details in the description below today. But I get a video out on Thursdays, and so I wanted to make sure I get a message out to you today and share something beneficial with you guys. See, a lot of us, we're in the process of maybe starting our businesses. We're in the process of thinking about planning our businesses. The one thing I wanted to let you guys know is, there's always two types of people. There's the planner and there's the doer. If you find a lot of the times you're planning and you're spending a lot of time planning, okay, I'm gonna do this way, I'm gonna do this way. A lot of people talk about you need to have a business plan. The truth is, it's important to have an idea how you wanna go about your business. But in fact, the more important thing is to go ahead and make moves. Go ahead and start the business. You will learn from the mistakes more than you will learn from just planning. Don't just keep planning, because in essence, nothing will happen. You have to start making actions towards your businesses, towards taking the first step. And you know what? It's completely fine if you guys fail. A lot of people will. A lot of people are going to fail right in the beginning. First hurdle. The main thing, the main difference between someone who is a successful business person and someone who isn't, is the one who has the hurdles but continues to go push through them. So you have to push through the hurdles. You have to get through the past, the first 1 or 2, 3 steps. Once you do that, then you start seeing success. A lot of people though will just, be like, oh, you know what? I flopped it. I can't be asked. I flopped it. I can't be bothered. And those are the people that unfortunately will find it very difficult to progress, right? So you have to start and make the actions, commit, start with the businesses, just start, just go ahead, make the mistakes. It's okay. And so I hope, that gives you an idea of how I would do it. I mean, honestly, like if it was me, I would just, if I've got an idea, for example, I am planning on, inshallah, starting an e-commerce store, right? I don't have that much knowledge on e-commerce, but, I know that I can make a lot of money on it. I got on the phone to some suppliers and manufacturers. I basically said, make me something. They've made it. I get the sample tomorrow. Inshallah, as long as I'm happy with the sample, I'll order, whatever I want to order. I'll order 100 of those products and we'll get the ball rolling. The point being is I cannot make money from that idea until I commit to the action. You have to commit to the action. And inshallah, by the way, I will obviously be sharing the details of the product and how I'm going to go about it and everything like that with you guys on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure you have liked this video. I know it's not our regular videos, but you know what? I still wanted to share something beneficial with you guys today. And in fact, the more beneficial thing for you guys today will be the lecture with Sheikh Abu Suhaib that I've managed to organize. It's on riba. We can ask questions with the Sheikh about any finance related things. So make sure to join in on that. It's gonna be on about 1 hour's time, but that's all from me. Make sure you like. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.